In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for research paper writing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a focused research query and get high-quality, citable material you can turn into a strong paper. Start by opening your browser and going to Perplexity AI. You can use any modern browser, and the interface works well on desktop for longer writing tasks. Think of Perplexity as a research assistant that searches across the web, reads multiple sources, and returns a synthesized, citation-backed answer you can verify. On the home page, look for the plus icon. Click it and choose Deep Research. This mode is designed for more demanding questions like literature reviews or background sections of a paper. Instead of returning a quick answer, it runs a deeper, multi-step process. It canvasses multiple sources, compares them, and builds a structured response with citations. That's exactly what you want when you need evidence you can trace and evaluate. Now click on the prompt area, the large text box where you'll shape your research request. Before you type, pause and get specific about your assignment. Clarify your research question, the scope, and any constraints your instructor expects. For example, note the time frame for publications, the geographic region, the population or data set of interest, and the angle or variables you care about. If you know your preferred citation style, it can help to mention that too. The clearer your inputs, the more useful and focused the output will be. Type in your prompt with all that context. A strong prompt might read like this: I'm writing a research paper on the effects of urban green spaces on adult mental health. Focus on peer-reviewed studies from 2018 onward, prioritize meta-analyses and systematic reviews, compare key findings and methodologies, note major limitations, and provide APA-style references. You can also ask for a brief outline structure or a summary of key debates in the field. Keep your tone neutral and academic and avoid asking for opinions. Request evidence, comparisons, and citations. When you're ready, click Submit. Perplexity will gather sources, analyze them, and produce a response that highlights major findings, patterns across studies, and direct citations you can check. Use these results to identify themes for your literature review, sketch your paper's sections, and flag any gaps you still need to read more about. Always verify the citations, scan abstracts or full text when possible, and follow your institution's academic integrity guidelines. Treat the output as a roadmap. It organizes the landscape, points you to credible materials, and helps you write clearly with evidence you can trace and defend.